Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to sponsor someone in Cash App. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously open up your Cash App application on your phone, and then you want to go to the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to come up with this page here for your account, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select family. On this next page, if we just scroll at the bottom, you can see you've got the button to invite a teen. So that is anybody between the ages of 13 and 17 years old. So once we have selected that button, we can then get presented with this screen, which allows us to copy this unique invite link, and then you can share it via multiple applications such as Bluetooth or Chrome or an email or even on Discord and Instagram. So there's many ways that you can actually share this unique code. Okay, and once you've actually copied that link and actually sent it to them and shared it, the 13 to 17 year old teen will actually then go on to create a Cash App account, and you'll actually be able to track this on the sponsored accounts activity section of your Cash App in real time. Okay, and that's it. That is how to sponsor somebody on Cash App. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.